What's up YouTube? My name is Chad. This is the Wisco Boater channel, and today I'm going to start the process of getting this air conditioner, brand new, installed on Clifford. Now I say today I'm going to start because I'm just going to test it here today. I'm going to work over in the bosun shop here, the boat building shop. I'm working on that wood boat. So I'm going to close that room off, get this thing hooked up, and see how well it cools that room. Just want to get it tested before I take it up Sturgeon Bay, make sure that it does cool as it's supposed to. And then once I do that, I'm not going to film that, the cooling, the testing of this. When I get it up on the boat, I'll show you how I'm going to install it, because the exhaust hose is going to go out one of the portals, and I'm going to have to modify that just a little bit in order to get that to go in place. So I'll show you that, and hopefully we get a nice cool cabin here over the weekend. All right, so first things first, before I go into the shop there and test it, let's get it opened up out of the box and see what it looks like. This is a 10,000 BTU unit. There's a little bit of a story behind getting this, which I can tell while I'm taking this out of the box. So last weekend on the boat, very warm. Had our neighbors with us. They decided to stay at a hotel because it was so warm. And well, one of the reasons, but I decided that I had to have an air conditioner for the boat. Now, we did bring one with us. Turned out it didn't work, but that's okay. There's another story behind that. But after that one didn't work, I went to Walmart in Sturgeon Bay because their website said that they had one. I go to Walmart and go back to where the air conditioners are at. I have a gentleman there who works at Walmart, has a little scanner tool, scans the barcode and says, "Oh, according to this, we have one in stock in the store." And I'm like, "All right, great, where is it?" He goes, "Well, if we had it, it would be right there." So he says, "My guess is somebody probably has it in their cart in the store right now, leaving with it." I'm like, "All right, well, nothing you can do about that." So that was the first one. Then I come home. I frantically search Craigslist, find two of them that are within an easy drive. One is fairly cheap at 175 bucks. The other one was, well, he's asking 300, but it was really should have been more like 200. Doesn't matter though. Both of those current ads, 11 days old and 18 days old, sold. People forgot to pull them off Craigslist. There's the second. There's the third. Yesterday, I go to Walmart here in my hometown of Hartford, because online it says they have one in stock. Go to the store, go back to get it, ask the lady, "Hey, your website says you got an air conditioner in stock." And she started laughing. She goes, "Yeah, I just heard somebody talking on the radio about that. I think we sold it about an hour ago. That was our last one." Okay. Number 4. Also yesterday, when I get back home, I go online, Home Depot. Now, the closest Home Depot to me is in Grafton, Wisconsin. Actually, I take that back, it's in West Bend, but West Bend didn't have anything. Second closest is Grafton. According to their website, they had one in stock. It was an 8,000 BTU unit, a Toshiba, pretty decent reviews. So I ordered it, bought it online. And a day goes by. This was 2 days ago, now that I say that. Anyway, day goes by, I don't hear anything. This morning, I get a call from Home Depot, and the guy says, "Hey, we don't have this in stock, and it doesn't look like we're gonna get any. We're gonna have to cancel your order." Number 5, that's 5 air conditioners I've tried to buy in less than a week. Can't get one. So I go inside, I go on Home Depot's website, because I'm getting a credit back from the one canceled order. I thought, well, I'll just stick with Home Depot. Find this LG in at Home Depot in Waukesha, Wisconsin, which is it's not that far away. It's really only about 25-30 minutes away. This is a 10,000 BTU unit. I ordered it this morning, got the confirmation email, and immediately called them to say, hey, I live 30 minutes away. I'm not going to drive an hour round trip only to find out that you guys don't have this in the store. She goes, well, did you get the confirmation order? The email? I said, yes, I did, but I also got one from the Home Depot in Grafton, and turns out they did not have it in stock. So she's like, hold on, let me check. She checks, comes back. Yes, it's here, waiting for you, so great. So I drive to Waukesha, pick it up, and after the 6th try, I finally have an air conditioner. Now this one is a 10,000 BTU unit, based on ANSI standards, and then 6,500 BTUs based on US DOE standards, which it'll be plenty for the boat. I've got about 136 square feet in the boat cabin. This is good for a room size up to 300 square feet. So should be just fine. So, all right, now let's take it out of the box. Okay, there we go. Nice brand new air conditioner. Looks great. All right, so I'm gonna hook this up in the shop, get it tested, make sure it works, and then the next time you see me, we'll be on the boat installing this to cool down the cabin for a nice, pleasant weekend on the boat. All right, I'm on the boat, and while I'm working on another video to install a TV and a Roku, I'm going to work on installing the air conditioner in the boat. So first thing I need to do is turn this thing around. You can see the exhaust. That's the exhaust for the air conditioner. I gotta take the hose here, hook it up to that, and then this end of the hose, I'm going to exhaust out this porthole right here. First things first, let's connect the air hose, and then we'll work on getting this place cooled down. It's not too bad in here tonight, but it would be nice to have air conditioning going. Okay, so this is the exhaust hose for the air conditioner. I just kind of covered up the open areas with the window cover. I got it velcroed in place. It's actually pretty sturdy. Got the top part of the porthole cover coming down over the top of the exhaust port there to keep it in place. So we'll run down here, and let's turn it this way. So we got this locked in place. Now, the only problem is I'm watching TV, Seinfeld. So I got the Roku and the TV plugged in there, and this has to be plugged in as well. So let me figure this out, and we'll come back to the air conditioner in just a moment. All right, so I'm gonna test this out tonight. I've got a fan blowing as well, but we've got the exhaust fan hooked up. I'm gonna close the hatch, get the air conditioner plugged in, power on, cool, high fan. It's blowing cool air, so we'll see how it goes. And as it is almost 11 o'clock at night, I will report back in the morning to see if it's cool in here overnight, and we'll see how it does tomorrow during the day as well. All right, well, the air conditioner saga for the boat continues. anyway, thanks for watching this episode of the Whiskerboarder channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments, and if you want to be notified when I post a new video like this one, hit that little notification bell.